According to Road and Track, Jack Fitzgerald, Rimac, they're going to be having a car out called Nevera R. It's going to be called the Founders Edition. They unveiled this. Now, production is going to be limited to just 10 units globally. Now, each is going to be featuring all kinds of perks, owner exclusives type of stuff. I mean, remember, Rimac is a hypercar company. The price is going to be huge, and every model is already accounted for. So the billionaires, they already got their piece of action. Now, if there's one thing that you can be sure, the hypercar owners, they love these type of deals. I don't know if you guys know Manning, the one guy who has his own hypercar YouTube channel, which is awesome. You know he's probably getting one too, but he's probably not because I haven't seen one in his stable. Now take McLaren for example, the high-performance British manufacturer. They also announced that a hand-picked group of customers were going to be given, exclusivity to their hypercars. But the Rimac, is getting into the exclusivity game too as well, folks. Which with the Nevera R, the Founders Edition, which is epic, folks, and awesome. Now changes to the Nevera R is visually stimulating. Each car design is going to be to is customer liking, folks. Or what you say, their taste buds. Now the real value of the Founder Edition is the perks. Now Rimac said there's only going to be 10, and the customers are going to be able to sit down with the owner, mate Rimac, to design these beautiful, beautiful iterations, the bespoke models, that is. Now the basis for the special edition is two-tone design, separates the top of the car from the bottom. And you know Rimac is based upon the storms, the weather, and everything else, the design and everything. But this one's going to be given a central stripe, separate the left and the right side of the car. This is according to Rimac. Of course, everything is asymmetrical because that's how art is made, and that's how art is beautiful. It's asymmetrical. And the seat layout's going to be different colors. Like the exclusivity that you get in the Ferrari's anniversary edition, where the seats is two different colors. Rimac jumped into the game too, and they made something awesome, folks. Now the Founder Edition customers are going to get priority invitation to look at this baby. They're going to be able to see it demonstrates its performance. They're going to have great discussions with the company. They're going to have access to the Bugatti Rimac headquarters. And they're also going to be given training with professional drivers. This is just some awesome news, folks. If you ever get your money right, get them lucky lottery ticket numbers, you still wouldn't be able to be a part of this. But you'll be able to watch with a pocket full of money, and that would feel quite good. Now, Rimac didn't mention any performance changes to the car, because the performance in itself is out of this world. You're talking about 60 in 1.7 seconds, a quarter mile in just 8.2 seconds. The Nevera R is the only car in the world that accelerates more quickly than it brakes. And that's according to Road Track Jack Fitzgerald. And that's an awesome saying, folks. But this car has some awesome party tricks. And it is awesome. And that's according to a car and driver. They use the word party tricks. I myself, I'm just going to use that this is one bad shit your mouth. They're not going to publicly announce the pricing for this, but you can be sure it's going to be anywhere from $2.5 to $5 million. Usually hypercars are like $5 million plus. But if there's only 10, it could be anywhere from 5 to 10 million. I mean, wow. That's a lot of money for an electric car. But you know what? Regular people, you can still get a Tesla Model S Plaid. And believe me, you're going to be in the mirrors of the Rimac, because I think the Tesla Model S Plaid, if I'm wrong, can get up to 60 in 1.9 seconds. and can probably do everything that this baby can do. But it won't look as good, but it will be sharp. You guys, thanks for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And check out the latest car and driver. Uh, find out some of this news, and thanks to Mr. Fitzgerald, the person that wrote the article, did an awesome job. Thanks for keeping us abreast, car and driver. Check out their website. Remember, like, share, and subscribe. And thanks for watching. Boy, man, cars are fantastic. Thanks for coming by.